LESSO Cable Factory focuses on the production of PV cables, dedicated to provide safe and reliable solar power solutions. Meticulously select high-quality conductive premium tin copper, which undergo precise stranding processes to ensure optimal conductivity. Metal or fiber braid layer, improve the mechanical strength and durability of PV cables. All products are subjected to rigorous testing and quality control after production. Professional and technical team ensured a stronger industry standard.